Keep shoveling, Chris.
Yep. Let's go.
Well,
Stacy, you know where it's trouble when the water's flowing up?
yeah, up the hill.
Up the hill.
We're gonna get those new ceramic tile floors, I guess. Now it's coming down the road to our house. Going through the neighbor's house so far, but not mine yet. Candace's new refrigerator, if it don't float away. It's coming in from the road now, going down the road. And now it's coming from the road and going around the house. Not sure I'm gonna be able to save it, but I'm still fighting. We've been building a dike in the front with the backhoe and the little John Deere. And I got neighbor's big excavator and Jess Mulcair's excavator. Been making dikes, but so far I could be winning. I got the water out of the house now, so it did have some water in it, but it's out now. I'm doing a GoFundMe to buy dog food for these assholes. If you guys would like to send me some money. Huge mess, but the water is going down. It's still in the backyard, and the neighbor's yard has a river channel running right through the middle of his yard now. And I'll try to get where you can see his Jeep is leaning over, about to turn over. Over there, his pontoon boat, the shed fell down on it. He's out there trying to collect his stuff. He chased a big old catfish down the river though, trying to catch it. Dumbass crash and rolly, getting in the water since it's going down. Still running, but I'm out here. Looks a lot different out here now. The neighbor's yard doesn't look nothing like it used to.